OTC cards are benefit cards provided by certain health plans or government programs, allowing eligible individuals to purchase approved health-related items. Not every item sold by Walmart qualifies for OTC benefits. This tutorial explains how to use your OTC card both online and in-store. What the OTC card does: the OTC card functions like a prepaid debit card for eligible health and wellness products. Covered items typically include over-the-counter medications, first aid supplies, and certain health equipment. The card's balance is limited to approved categories only. Step 1. Identify eligible items. When shopping online at Walmart.com, look for a badge or label that says Benefits Program Eligible or similar wording. This label is usually found under the product description or in the product details section. If you do not see this label, the item is likely not eligible for OTC benefits. Most items on Walmart are not covered. Step 2. Check out and apply OTC card online. Once you have found an eligible product, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. In the Payment Methods section, select the option called Add a Benefit Card. Enter your OTC card information and apply it as your payment source. Walmart will use the available balance on your OTC card to pay for eligible items in your order. Step 3. Pay in-store. If shopping in a Walmart store, scan your OTC card at the payment terminal like a regular debit card. If checking out with a cashier, inform them that you would like to pay using your OTC card. Step 4. Cover remaining balance. If the total purchase amount exceeds the available balance on your OTC card, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. For example, use a debit card or credit card that you have already added to your Walmart account, or pay with cash at the register. Limitation: OTC cards work only for eligible items and will decline for non-covered products. You cannot use the OTC card to pay for general groceries, electronics, clothing, or household goods unless those specific items are marked as Benefits Program eligible. This method is best suited for purchasing approved health-related items from Walmart.